It's 2022 and hypnosis still has a certain reputation. So let's clear up some popular misconceptions today. I'm Christine Philipp and I'm a hypnotist and mind coach helping people to overcome anxiety so they can restore their happiness with ease and confidence, falling in love with life again. A lot of people carry deep-seated beliefs about hypnosis even today. They base these beliefs mostly on things they have seen on TV, in a movie, in a show, or read in a newspaper. Participants have been portrayed in kind of ridiculous ways, from clucking and behaving like a chicken to forgetting their own name. And it may have appeared as if a dark magic force, the hypnotist, took over and left participants losing all their self-control. Other people think hypnosis is something from another world, a bit woo-woo, a bit crazy, weird, and not to be taken seriously. It might be something for the old hippies. Some people believe only the dumb, gullible, and weak-minded people can be hypnotized, and certainly they do not belong to that category. Other people fear they will sleep through the process and won't remember anything because they were somewhat unconscious. Some fear they may even get stuck in that state, if we want to call it a state, forever. Some people fear the hypnotist may turn them into someone else, or that once the work is done, they may not even be able to recognize who they are. But let me be very, very clear. None of this is true. So what are the 9 key things you need to know about hypnosis? Number 1, you are safe because hypnosis is not mind control. You give yourself and the hypnotist permission to influence the way you think, feel, and behave in a positive way. It's much like any conversation you would have with someone you trust. Number 2, it's scientifically based. It's not woo-woo. Hypnosis is a natural occurrence that everyone experiences daily. Number 3, your secrets are safe with you. They stay secrets unless you prefer to share them. Number 4, you are in control at all times. You are not asleep, nor will you be unconscious. You will hear everything that has been said, because that would make also a lot of sense, wouldn't it? 5, you still have to do the work. It's not a magic pill. You transform because you want to, and you will receive as much change as you are open to. Number 6, your dignity is highly respected at all times. You will be more than you are now and still be who you are at the core. You're not losing anything that really makes you, you. Actually, it's like winning an upgrade. 7, everybody can be hypnotized. The more imaginative and creative you are, the easier it will be for you. You will need to focus. You will need to understand what is said and engage in the collaboration. It's teamwork after all. Number 8, you won't get stuck in hypnosis. You are always in control, awake and aware at all times. Hypnosis doesn't necessarily require any trance at all. Eyes open, eyes closed. It's up to you and your level of comfort. Speaking of comfort, number 9, feel free to relax and release a happier you. So I hope this video was useful for you and you know a little bit more about what hypnosis is and what it isn't. And if you like my videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share with people who could benefit from them. And we speak soon. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.